say she wants.
She carry out, oh my God, oh, I don't know. Everything she carry out, she never talk and I follow her.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off with clean washed hair and I'm using my contour leave-in conditioner. So this time I decided to use the water-based conditioner. You can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice, and as you can see guys, my hair was matted. Okay, it was just like I couldn't just detangle it because I made a mistake by washing it without usually I wash my hair when it's like in big twists, but yeah, I'm dealing with a lot of tangling, but yeah, it is what it is. About 2 years ago I did this particular hairstyle, so I decided to recreate this look for you guys using Mali braid. So I'm just going to start by separating my hair. So yeah, just before we start, you guys, I hope you have subscribed. If you're watching this video, I hope you have subscribed and you have turned on your notification buttons, because you guys, it means a lot to me when I upload videos and you guys watch my videos. But if you don't subscribe and like, how am I supposed to know? Like seriously, how am I supposed to know you're watching? Like,
I saw this pretty girl from afar. She looked so bright like a star. So we walk up to her, say, girl, can I get your name or your number? So we could get close, don't wonder. Where you wine strikes like thunder. You gonna make me the wonder. Waiting you get for your under. Oh no, no, she went on going to my song. Oh no, no, she gonna give me all night long. Oh no, no, she went on going to my song. Oh no, she gonna give me.
I'm just gonna go ahead and spritz some water on my hair, and the struggle is real when you've got makeup on and the water is dripping on your face. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying Eco Styler gel. You want to make sure that you apply a generous amount. If your hair texture is like mine, fuzzy hair, some call it fuzzy hair, whatever you call it, but yeah, we call it mufushwa. Okay, so yeah, it is. I love my texture, guys, don't get me wrong, it is just beautiful. And I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle using my Denman brush and followed by a hard bristle brush. So if you're using a hard brush, you guys, you need to make sure that you are being as gentle as you can, because you don't want any hair loss. Okay, if your hair texture is not like mine, you can actually use a soft brush, or if I detangled my hair a little bit more, I would have used just a soft brush. Like, you see what I'm saying, guys, the tangling was super real. Okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that my hair is well saturated with the gel. I use a little bit extra gel. Okay, I use a lot actually. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my hair. So when you're tying your hair, you need to make sure that you've positioned your ponytail where you want to place your braid. Like, if you see that, guys, I tried not to speed up too much. I did speed up, of course, and I did edit a lot, because this video was like originally 1 hour plus. Okay, but yeah, most people keep complaining that I do speed up my videos too much, and so I tried not to speed up too much, at least slow down a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slick my hair down. So the benefits of using water when you're using the Eco Styler gel is your hair will be wet, and then your hair will definitely slick down. Okay, it will slick down, because most people ask me, how do you slick down your falsy hair? Like, you see, this is exactly what I do. I always spritz my hair with water, and it makes it easier. And another thing you should remember is, if you're dealing with falsy hair, you need to saturate your hair very well with the gel. Okay, be very, very generous, be very heavy handed. Okay, otherwise this hair will not lay down, or it won't. Okay. Tried, guys. The parts are looking a bit neater today. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my hair down and sit under the dryer. You can air dry if you prefer. Just gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes until my hair is almost dry, but I do advise you to make sure that your hair is completely dry. And this is the hair that I am going to be using, so I just decided to try a different type of braid. This is Mali braid, and I used the whole pack, divided the pack in half, and I spritzed with my leave-in conditioner because I wanted it to have a little bit of moisture. Just gonna go ahead and start doing some twists at the back, like you see right here. If you're not confident in doing the twist on your hair, you can actually do the twist, like hook the rubber band on the door handle or something like that, or some kitchen cupboards, and do the twists. Okay, or have someone to hold it for you. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I covered or concealed my own hair. Okay, and you go ahead and secure with some bobby pins, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start styling my hair. So this step is very, very easy. As you can see, guys, it is simple and straightforward. And as you can see, I did cover the bobby pins that you could see right here. And as for the end of the braid, you guys, I connected it to the top ponytail, like you see right here. This makes sure that your braid is very, very secure, and it just gives you that nice, beautiful style. For the top one, I'm gonna go ahead and divide the braid in two, and I'm gonna do some twists like I did at the back, because I wanted a little bit of more hair, like a bit of volume at the top. Okay, and I'm just gonna start styling my hair. So this hair is very, very soft, you guys. Like, this is the whole bundle, and I think this is one of the Mali braids, the best Mali braids that I've used. I bought mine in my local beauty supply store. just to let you know guys, this hairstyle can only last you for only 1 week because we've used some gel honey. The Mali hair blends so well with my natural hair, so I absolutely love this kind of hairstyle.
Beauty, there's no life without you, girl. You are beautiful. I build my world around you, girl. You make my dreams come true.
So let me know guys if you'd like to see any updos on my channel. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.